Hi, I'm Aariv and I'm an Alexa skill developer. I'm excited to share a Chrome extension by Jovo that makes testing with the Alexa test simulator so much easier. It's definitely a must-have for all Alexa skill developers. Personally, it saved me tons of time and typing when I was testing my new skill that I'm working on. Kudos to Jen Koenig, Florian Holland, and the rest of the Jovo team for such amazing work. Let me show you how to install it and use it. So now I am in this page, which is like in the Chrome Web Store, the Alexa Skills Kit Simulator Enhancer. I will give the link to this page in the description below. And so then once you're here, then just smash the Add to Chrome button. Yes, I want to add the extension. No, I do not want to turn on sync. Okay, and so now it's added. Let's go to the developer console to see, to use it. So these are all my skills. I'm going to select STEM Party to test this. And I will go to the Test tab. Okay, so far everything is looking pretty normal. So now let me test it. I say open STEM Party. Okay.
Welcome to STEM Party, the best place to learn and have fun. Would you like to play science or math?
Okay, so this came up. Would you like to play science or math? So I'm just going to choose math.
That's awesome. I love math. Would you like to play easy, medium, or hard?
Okay, I'm going to go with easy.
Awesome. Here's your first question. There are 38 books on the shelf. Marta put 10 more books on the shelf. How many books are on the shelf now?
Okay, so I'm going to stop here because you may have noticed the two buttons coming on the side of each utterance I say. So the first button, the plus sign, it's the add request button, and what it does is if you click on the plus sign next to an utterance, then it adds that as a button so you can reuse that utterance. For example, let's say since every single time I invoke this skill, I'm going to have to type open STEM Party. So I can just click the plus sign here, and now it has been added here. So now, if I want to play it again, I'll refresh it. So now open STEM Party is one of my buttons, and instead of having to type it, I can just click it, and it comes up.
Welcome to STEM Party, the best place to learn and have fun. Would you like to play science or math?
The good thing is, even if you refresh it, the buttons still stay, so that's good. And also, since Open STEM Party is already a button, there's no more plus sign to Open STEM Party. So now let's look at this other sign, the repost sign. What it does is, if you click it, it's basically what the name suggests. It literally just reposts that utterance. So if you don't use this utterance so much as to make it a button, but you still need to use it twice or 3 times in every testing, then you can just use the repost button. And then yeah, that's the Jovo extension. It really helps things. I hope this Chrome extension helps you and that you install it. Visit my website at awesomeaariv.com or follow me on Twitter at awesomeaariv. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.